Hello everyone, today we are reviewing Aqueon LED 5.5 Aquarium Kit. At least that's how I think you pronounce it, Aqueon. All the equipment needed to get started in one box. Low profile full hood contains vibrant cool white LED lighting to bring your aqua environment to life. Kit includes glass aquarium, low profile LED hood, QuietFlow filtration, small filter cartridge, food sample, water care sample, and a setup guide. Alright, we'll open the box and see what we get inside. Alright, let's see. Pull it out a little. There we go. This is the box. That's the front. The side. The back. And of course, the other side. Alright. We will move this up. See what we get. Of course, this is the top. See if I can bring it up closer. There we go. And we will see what we get inside. Alright. This is what it looks like inside when you open the box. And nothing else in the box. And that is what we get. Yeah, let me move the box so you can get a better... There we go. Alright. We have the wood. Little feed-in area. Let's see what we get in the bag. We get the owner's manual. There we go. So we get that. Well, we'll just put it in the front. We get the, looks like, I don't know if this, yeah, this is the starter guide. And on the back. Alright, that's all there is to that. We have the Nutra insect. Give your tropical fish a diet they would naturally eat in the wild. Tropical flakes. So we got that. We have $1 off heaters. Okay. And we have water conditioner. Makes tap water safe for fish. Okay. And we have the pump. And we have filter. Of course, the plug to plug it in. And another piece for the filter. Yeah. And that is everything that comes with the kit. Trying to get it so you can see the whole kit. But not doing too good because, there we go. Yeah, that's everything that comes in the kit. Alright, now once I get it situated and set up and get my fish in there, I will come back. Hey everyone, we're back. This is the fish tank all set up. I have 4 female betas in here. And we have some beta food that I picked up. And we have here beta starter kit. And this has, let's see, it has beta food in it, and it has water conditioner. Take them out so you can see. It's the side. Not much on this side. This is the conditioner. And this is the food it comes with. So, I have the conditioner, I have plenty of food, And this is freeze-dried bloodworms. Bloodworms, yum. And the plants that I have in here are Asian water fern and crested Java fern. So, yep, that's pretty much what I have going on in there. I'll try to slide this forward so we can take a better look at the fish. I'm hoping that it will focus. I don't think it came out too bad. They seem happy. I mean, I'm not sure if they're happy, but they seem happy. So, yeah. And I paid about $64 for this tank at Petco. Well, that's it. That's all there is for this review. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Alright, I don't know. Oh, hey, you two better not be picking on each other. Females are supposed to get along. Hey! Females are supposed to get along. Don't look it. These are supposed to be all females, so, and the guy at Petco told me that female baiters are supposed to get along, so I guess we'll find out. Alright, like I said, please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.